So we're back on container gardening today, and I'm just going to make a little framework in a pot so I can grow some petit pois peas up it, because the beauty about those plants is they only grow to about 2 foot and we can get quite a few in a tub. We just need to support it with some kind of a frame. So the first thing I need to do is find some of these canes and cut 4 of them to the same length. That's one. So now we've got 4 round about the same length. They don't have to be exact. I've got one of these pots. They're not huge, but they're big enough. I grew potatoes in these last year, so just stuck a bit of rubbishy compost, if you like, in bottom, just to about quarter fill it, and then we'll put some decent stuff on top. So now we've got this pot completely filled, we'll sort a frame out for these peas to grow. So we're just going to take 4 canes, push them to the bottom of the soil. Now we've got 4 canes in, all we need to do is tie them all together at top. So we'll just get a piece of string. I'm going to pull them all together like this. And then we'll tie them off at the top. You don't have to use string to tie this off. To be honest, if you've got a biggish tie wrap, that's going to work a lot better because they're a lot stronger and they're not going to rot away like string will. So now we've done that, we can just bed this soil down a little bit, make it a bit firmer. And what you're going to be planting in here is things like petit pois, wavericks, the dwarf variety of peas, because that particular variety only grow to about 2 feet tall. So you can plant them in a container like this, make one of these frameworks for them to grow up, and then you can move this when you need to. If we have some bad windstorms, which we generally do tend to get in UK, you can move this out of wind, out at sun, into sun, whenever it suits you. So, and it's not heavy, perfectly easy for anybody of any size to move around. So last thing we're going to do on this is we're going to tie some string to it, and we're going to wrap it around it all the way to the top, because when your peas are growing they're going to want to cling on to something, and this string will do the job. They'll put out little tendrils and they'll wrap around the string, and then the pea will climb to the next level and to the next level until it reaches top. So I'm just going to start off tying it onto the bottom. And then we're just going to wrap it round gradually to the top. And then we'll just tie it off. So then it's all done. It's very sturdy and it's portable. So you can basically now direct sow peas into here, but I would suggest soaking them overnight first just to rehydrate them. Or you can just grow some in packs first, which I tend to do anyway. And then you can just take out the little plants when they grow and then pop the little plants all around this tub, and they'll grow up to the top. And because, as I said, the dwarf varieties, they'll only grow to the top of this, but then the entire thing will be full of petit pois peas. So for anybody that's got limited space, this is something that you can do and you can have your own peas. You don't need to buy peas and beans that grow to 6 feet tall and you haven't got the space to put up a big structure. Get some dwarf varieties and then make one of these, and you can just pop that on your patio and then move it out of bad weather and into good weather as you need to. Anyway, thank you very much again for watching this video. I really do appreciate the subscribers and the views and the comments, because feedback is important to me. So if that's the sort of content that you'd like to see as we go through season, then just hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell. I'd really appreciate that. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.